All right, class. So I messed up on my explanation on low blood pressure. So let's start one more time. So let's say you are having low blood pressure. So low blood pressure. Okay. So when you have low blood pressure, you want more blood to come to the glomerulus, right? And that can happen if you can increase the diameter of the afferent arteriole. So you just need to increase the diameter. So you want the smooth muscles to relax, right? You want the smooth muscles to relax. So in that case, obviously, those mechanically gated calcium channels will be closed and the smooth muscles will relax. And as the smooth muscle relax, more blood will flow. And as we have more blood into the glomerulus, that will increase the hydrostatic pressure. If you have increased hydrostatic pressure, that will lead to increased increased net filtration pressure, and that will increase the glomerular filtration pressure, or GFR. Okay. All right. Now next. Now what will happen if you increase the diameter of the efferent arteriole? So we are increasing the diameter of the efferent arteriole. How will that make a difference? Well, if the efferent, so we have blood coming in this way. If you have increased diameter of the efferent arteriole, obviously more blood can go out, right? So if a lot of blood comes in and a lot of blood goes out, what will happen to the hydrostatic pressure? It goes down. So that will cause decrease in net filtration rate, and that will eventually cause decrease in glomerular filtration rate. Okay, the last scenario. What will happen if you decrease the diameter of the efferent arteriole? It's already narrower than the afferent. You are constricting it even more. So you have blood coming in this way, but blood is backed up here. Not all can pass through. So that will increase the hydrostatic pressure, pH. So as pH increases, that will increase the net filtration rate, and that will increase the glomerular filtration rate. So know these four scenarios. First, you are constricting the afferent arteriole. Second, you are dilating the afferent arteriole. Third, you are constricting the efferent arteriole. And fourth, you are dilating the efferent arteriole. All right, you must know these for your exam. All right, I'll start with a new video.